Nag-ayos na ng ano. Pag-build kami, hati, tapos wala ng Tupperware.
Empty, but I want cigarette.
Kasi kailangan
Malay mo, mabilis si Aiza mag-build.
trust. Pero ano,
Maaga pa naman.
ano yan? Grade 2 pa lang yung bago.
Ba sila?
Yeah, magkaiba. May sa amin, happy birthday party dito sa Poppers. Okay, build ka na. Happy birthday to you!
Okay. Taking his vlog kasi sobrang pagod na siya. Pagod yarn. Pagod na. Wait nga lang, wala akong maisip eh.
So we're currently in sa club for my birthday dinner and my mom's birthday dinner. So ayun, I'm gonna show you my gifts. Ooh. Okay. So ayun, I'm currently 33 already. You know, I'm old. And ayan, ka-birthday ko yung mami ko. So she's my birthday twin. So yeah, we're gonna have dinner. I'm just waiting for the food. So, are you excited to eat?
Huh? Yes! I'm so excited. Excited na mabuksan yung kanyang Pop Mart. And yung kanyang gifts.
Teaser! Teaser! Hindi kasama yung plants. But, hindi kasama yung mga halaman. Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod today. So, here are the gifts. This is for mom. Then Hubs gave us flowers. And then, may Pop Mart. Oh my God. May hero na ako. This is our celebration. I ordered my favorite gulaman. Isang large. Okay, so now we're gonna do kunyari debut. You're gonna give a short message.
Ano siya? Practice na ba siya? Para sa ano? Tawag dito sa social content nyo ni Ana Bernice. Yeah, happy birthday and sana more blessings to come. And of course, lahat ng dreams mo and your wants sa future, makakamit mo sa future. To celebrate more birthdays, kasama ka. Kasama ako at kasama ka.
Happy birthday, Je. Wish ko para sa'yo. Happy birthday. And maraming salamat sa buhay na binigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. Nawa, maging maligaya ka sa buhay mo ngayon. Maraming salamat, Lord. Thank you.
Next, the father.
Message. Happy birthday sa inyong tatlo, especially sa aking asawa. Naubod ng bait na. Happy birthday. Iisang anak. Ayan. Happy birthday at kay Carol na napakalayo. Ayan. Happy birthday sa inyong tatlo. Peace.
Jeje, love. Happy birthday sa tatlo. God bless and more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol and Tita Kat. Wishing you all the best and good health and more blessings. Next time sana tatlo na kayo nandito and nagse-celebrate ng birthday.
Okay, so ayun. So that was my family. Incomplete kami, but it's fine.
Apat na lang.
5. Parang 5. So, I'm gonna show you the gifts. I got a long champ, guys. This is my first luxury bag. So for the next gift, this is the exciting part, guys. Kasi Hubs got me Pop Mart! Oh my god. He got me the Mist Walker. Not just one, but two. Yeah, sana hindi daw dupe. But it's fine. Kung dupe, edi sa'yo yung isa.
Kasi yung binibili ko siya ginawa na mag-dupes daw kasi pinapaltan lang nila-resupply lang nila yung box, hindi nila.
Okay. Sana hindi. But it's fine. And then, ito yung exciting part. I always request for a letter every year. So, yeah. Thanks, Hubs. Then we got flowers. Ayun, as you can see, we have 2. Napapagod na ako sa sobrang dami ng tao. And nagugutom na ako. Anyway. Okay, so may scheme pala dito. Pwede ka magpakanta daw sa mga waiters when it's your birthday. Eh, that's not my thing. Ayoko. May nagpipicture pala dun. May nagpipicture daw, huwag ka tumingin. Ano daw? Ano sabi mo?
May vlog niya.
Ang gulo mo. Ano daw?
It's rose, Ecuador rose.
Ooh! Ano yun? Wala ko alam sa flowers eh.
One of the most expensive roses.
Ooh! So it's an Ecuadorian rose daw. So galing siya Equator. Tama ba? Kasi Ecuador is Equator. Yeah. So pretty. Ayun, wala na akong masabi dahil nagugutom na ako. Ay, ayoko ng mga gano'n. Wow. That was fun. Si Marcos. Yung may lighter ka. Lighter. Huwag na nga. Mga kong tanga. Okay, so we're now on the way to the parking with... Malapit na masyado. Sila, mama, kitain tayo dun sa ano. Nasaan na ba sila? Oh, ba't nawala? Ang kina-crave mo?
Busog na ako, ang hirap mag-isip.
Tamad yarn. So we're currently in Yao Yao. Gonna have dessert. And then we're gonna go around after. Kasi busog na busog sila. Hi. We're talking shit.
What? No.
Joke lang. But we're not... yeah. Anong number mo? Ayun na pala. Tama ba? 620.
21. Okay.
621 po. 621.
For the first time, nilibre niya ako ng ice cream. Never niya pa ako nililibre ever since. Ngayon pa lang. Actually, first time ko makatikim sa kanya ng ice cream. Gosh, nandiyan na siya. Pabalik na. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Basta atin-atin lang to. Huwag niyo nasabihin sa kanya. Bye-bye. Wala.
Back.
Every shots galing sa IMAX camera.
Yeah. It's always the mochi and the caramel sauce. Pero parang iba na yung quality nila. But it's nice. Sorry naman mo. Kay Moana, smile. Score ko mag-surfing siya. Ano sabi mo?
Iniwan na siya ni Charles.
Kasi,
Keep na lang siya.
funny. Wala pa akong coffee kanina umaga, so... Ayun. Kayo ba, guys? Does your head hurt kapag wala pa kayong coffee? Comment below. Okay, let's do the,
Siyempre, introhan mo. Hindi basta-basta yung let's do that.
Okay. So, you guys know the trend on TikTok, yung 5 things that are worth your money. So, we're gonna do it while we're walking to the car. Number 1, Kobo. Kobo Libra Color specifically. Kasi malaki yung matitipid nyo with physical books if nagbabasa kayo. Second, AirPods. Third would be a digital camera. Fourth, Uniqlo. And then 5, ano pa ba? Hironos. I don't know. Worth your money sa akin yung Hirono. So, apa? Okay.
Diba? 5 things.
Yeah.
So, number 1 is Starbucks Vanilla Sweet Cream Cold Brew. Shark's Fin with rice, Hainanese rice. Ice cream, of course ice cream. Korean ice cream. Of course, tumbler o wala. Chocolates.
Okay. We're home. And we're gonna do an unboxing of the gifts I received today. Anyway, say hi to Alex first. Alex, na laging galit. I'm excited. Grabe, once a year lang ako. Not once a year, but we make it a habit naman ni Hubs na, on special occasions, we give each other gifts. But, it's my birthday and I feel really special. I feel special, by twice. Okay, so for the first gift. Oh my god, my first luxury bag. I don't usually have or buy luxury bags kasi parang hindi ko pa deserve. And alam ni Hubs yun na I told him na I would buy luxury brands or luxury items when I reach a certain level in my job na parang worth it na akong bumili. But apparently, he bought me one. So I'm excited. Wala to sa bingo card ko this year to buy a luxury bag or to receive a luxury bag. Yun nga lang gift ng mommy ko na, Christine lang. Okay na ako dun. Happy na ako. But to receive, a Longchamp? Longchamp? Longchamp. I don't know. Kayo na bahala magsabi kung paano. Oh my god, this feels very luxurious. Not gonna lie. Parang kailangan ko maghugas ng kamay bago ko buksan, but oh my god. Guys. Ooh. Okay. Ganda naman. Parang ito pa lang pwede mo nang gawing bag. But anyway. Oh my god, ano kayang color? Ooh, it's black. I thought it's blue. Wow. Ay, hindi pala kita. Bobo. I got the black one. It's in noir. Noir? I don't know. Pala kayo, hindi man ako French. So, ayun. I'm trying it now. Ang cute. Para siyang kili-kili bag. Anyway, I have 3 new bags this year. Ito yung gift sa akin ng friends ko. And anyway, so this is the bag. It's a blue. I don't know what this is called. Ang cute. So I have 3 new bags. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you, Hubs. You are literally the best. So we're gonna try and put Alex on the Longchamp. Oh my god, bagay siya. Parang it's giving Lux. Na parang ang dami-dami kong pera, but I don't. Thank you, Hubs. I love this gift so much. Organizer. I mean, do Longchamp? Leche? Do Longchamps need organizers ba or no? Grabe talaga. Hindi ko alam kung love language talaga ng jowa ko yung gift giving kasi he really eats, you know. My first time ko maka-receive. Anyway, I love it. Thank you, Hubs. Time to open the second one. As per request. Yun naman ang request ko every time, yung letter. Okay, so for the next gift, it's a Pop Mart. My God, grabe talaga yung gift ni Hubs. Look, oh. And not just one. I have two. Oh my God. What did I do to deserve this? Ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko. But, you know, sabi ni Hubs, wait, there's more. Parang kang pupunta ng field trip tomorrow sa Gardenia. Ganun yung nafe-feel kong happiness today. Tapos, mag-Enchanted Kingdom after. The rest, gusto ko. Pati yung secret. So, but, syempre, kung ano man yung lumabas dito, I want it. Kasi nga, matagal ko na siyang gusto. And if dupe to, alam na natin kung kanina mapupunta, no? Kay Hubs. Para twinning kami. Let me remove. Okay, Alex, dito ka muna. Panoorin mo kung paano tayo mag-give birth sa mga kapatid mo. So, for context, guys, ayun yung condo nila. Okay. Yan, siksikan sila doon kasi, you know, titipid daw sila sa rent. Yung boyfriend ko talaga yung happy pill ko. Happy pill? Happy pill. Pill? Pill. Basta yun. Hindi ko nang sinabi. Wala na. Hindi na natin nabuksan. Okay, so nakahanap ako ng mic holder. Which is yung task list ni Hero. Cute, right? Okay, guys, let's unbox this. Hirono. Mistwalker. Pero wait, kukuha ako ng anyway, para ma-manifest natin yung gusto natin, kailangan natin silang i-mark. Okay, so ano ba? Paano ba mag-ASMR? Okay, guys. So, we're gonna open the Mistwalker series. Parang ayoko. Kasi parang maubos yung hiling ako. Anyway, magsasalita na lang tayo ng maayos. This is yung Unfallen Wing, Wingless Follower, Soul Corroder, and then Secret. Ayan, lahat ng may check. Okay, guys. Exactly, the term. Para kang nanganak. Hindi mo alam yung itsura ng anak mo. Hindi mo alam kung isa dyan. So, kung ano yung lalabas, dapat mahalin mo siya. This is it, panzip. Oh my God. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-open ng ganon. Alam mo yung feeling na ganon? Yung parang kang... parang ganon. Okay. Guys, may ano ba to? Wait lang. Okay, guys. Tama ba? Tama ba yung pinapakita ko? Or ganito? Anyway, kayo na bahala. Oh my God, ang ganda ng packaging. Ang ganda niya talaga. Parang akong buksan. Ba't kailangan natin buksan? Ba't ipugupitin natin para pantay? Diba? Parang hindi sayang yung wrapper kasi didikit natin to sa ating junk journal. Junk journal is the most important person in my life. Bobo. Andulas. Andulas, guys. Oh my God. What's this? Is this the black one? Ito yung sabi kong ano. Though, I like it. I'm sorry I judged you. You know, hindi mo deserve ma-judge. Deserve mong ma-love. Sino ka ba? Okay, para kang bird. Okay, I love you. I'm gonna name you Katniss. Okay. You sit there. Katniss. Oh my God. Ano mo yung feeling na gano'n? Yung may pangit kang anak pero ang gusto mo siyang mahalin. Like his beak. Look, oh. May beak siya. And, ayun, very smooth. Ang smooth. Ano to? Ba't siyang ipanot sa likod? I love it. Okay, so for this one, kailangan natin magdasal ng mataimtim because pag nakakuha pa ako ng isa pang ibon, hindi ko na talaga alam yung... I have a good feeling. Okay. At dahil hindi effective yung checkmark, iibahin natin. Gagawin nating star. Star. star natin yung mga gusto natin because, you know, the stars are blind. Kahit isang dragon man lang, alam mo yun. Okay, we're gonna unbox the second one. Oh my god, this is the last one. Alam mo, okay, wag natin titignan ang card. Guys, be the judge. Ano to? Is this a good sign? Okay, is this a good sign? What's happening? Okay. Oh, eh. Okay, guys. Be the first. Oh my god, parang pare. Ikaw na naman. Yung ganun. Kailangan kong tawagan yung jowa ko. Wait lang. Ah, sobrang ganda. Pareho sila. Pero ang ganda, mahal ko naman. Sa'yo na yung isa, definitely. Kinapaka pa ako pa, sabi ko kanina. Shit, parang iba na to parang iba na. Tapos nung sabi ko, parang madulas na naman. Kasi madulas yung buhok niya. Sabi ko, parang madulas na naman. Tapos yun nga, pagkita ko, ay, alam mo, feeling ko may sign yung universe. Kasi black daw yung bag ko. So, tama lang daw na si Katniss yung binigay nilang Hirono. Bagay siya. Guys, bagay siya, right?
Dapat pala yung sira-sira yung kinuha ko.
Feeling ko maganda nga yung mga ganun. You know, for my eyes only. But I'm gonna read it and reaction video, but sir, sige, fine. Cute. So one thing about us, we buy our cards usually in fully booked. Kasi yung Popol PH na cards, yun yung pinaka cute. Yung mga Marvel, Harry Potter and all. Tapos may ganito pa, pangit pag wala ka. Akala ko tinawag akong pangit ng jowa ko. But okay. Time to read. Okay. So to summarize, may summarization. Ano to, meeting? All in all, it's a good day today. And, you know, I'm really blessed to have such a support system, a source of happiness, na they wish me well, ganyan. And today is really special and I'm glad na God has blessed me with another year. Career-wise, sana yung stress level sa work mabawasan kasi onti na lang pipitik na ako, but I love my life and I love my family, my boyfriend, my friends. Yung dalawang best friend ko, hindi nila ako pinost sa story nila, but it's fine. I understand. Ganyan naman kayo eh. Joke. Okay lang kahit wala kayong pinost. Kilala nyo na kung sino kayo. And I'm gonna take a rest muna for, you know, the weekend kasi may plan kaming trips? May plan kaming trip ni Hubs. So, I'm not gonna vlog. I'm just gonna relax. Kasi nga, the past few weeks were pretty stressful. So, ayun. We're just gonna bond and, you know, thank you for all your wishes. Kung nag-wish man kayo for me ng mga good things. Kasi pag yumaman ako, kasama kayo, my friends, libre ko kayo Starbucks. Pag yumaman ako. Pag na-monetize na ako dito sa YouTube. Okay, but for now, you know, interact, comment, subscribe. Char. Sige na, please. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, my birthday vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.